Hi, in this video we're going to look at the differential or differentiate y is equal to sine x. One important thing is that x has to be measured in radians. And we're going to do this by just looking at it graphically, and then in a later video I'll do by first principles. So if we just look at it graphically, and the GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video. So here we've got the graph of y is equal to sine x for x measured in radian measure. So if I move the slider in this, okay, so the gradient at this particular point here is actually 1. If we look at this point moving along the graph, it will trace out the graph of the derivative. So let's first go in the positive direction. And we see at this particular point pi by 2 it will be equal to 0. At this particular point it will be 1 again. And this particular point it will be 0 again. And then at this particular point at 2 pi, we're just going to look at 2 pi, it will be 1 again. So if we just go back and do the negative bit, what we see is a graph being traced out. Now the thing is, what is that graph? Well, if you click here and then just slightly move the GeoGebra app, the dots will disappear, and then you can see that the red graph is in fact the graph of cos x. So the derivative of sine x is in fact cos x. So that's quite straightforward. So if you do differentiate sine x, you're going to get cos x. So the conclusion will be, if y is equal to sine x, dy by dx will be equal to cos x. And like I said, I'll put the link to this GeoGebra applet in the notes of this video. So the conclusion is, if y is sine x, x measured in radians, then dy by dx will be equal to cos x. So this has been a video to show you how to find the gradient function or the derivative of sine x using a graph. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.